Alright guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be showing us how to make $36,146 per month selling this coloring book on Amazon KDP. Right, so this book I just came across it and it is a hot seller at the moment, and I tell you, if you jump into it right now you will be able to make this money for yourself within 30 days, right, of publishing this very kind of book. I'm not saying you make exactly $36,000, but you'll be able to make nothing less than $1,000 from selling this very book on Amazon. So, what is this keyword that I came across today that I really want to share with you? The keyword is this is comfy days coloring book. That is a keyword. And when I search it on Amazon, let me search it out for you guys to see. When I search it on Amazon, there are just 153 search results for it, meaning just 153 competitors are competing for this very keyword. And when you look at the average BSR here for this book, the average BSR here is 139,444, and a book that has this BSR selling at the rate of an average price of 7.93 will be making a considerable amount of money on Amazon per month, right? So when you look at this author, let's go through the interior of this book to see how this book is being created and all of that, so that you'll be inspired on how to get started with yours. And as a matter of fact, this book was published on the 9th of July 2024, so it's not even up to a year that this book was published. And some of the software that I'm using here is telling us that this book is selling 351 to 675 copy per day, and in on a daily basis is making nothing less than $1,000 per day. Isn't that crazy? So you have to jump into this right now and make this money for yourself as well. So let's open the interior to see whether we'll get inspiration on some of the things that this author have done, so that we'll be able to replicate it for ourselves and get our own share from this huge market. So when you go to the interior of this book, you see that the author is very professional. I love what he has done here. The arrangement, the formatting, the layout is top notch, right? So if you want to do something like this, you have to be competing against this standard. You have to do something that matches with this standard. So these are the kind of images that we found in this coloring book, and I'll be showing us exactly how to generate images that look like this. So to quickly show us how much this author is making, let's go to this free website Kindlepreneur, and use their royalty calculator to check out, right? So the BSR of that book is 56, right, and it's a paperback, selling on Amazon.com, and the number of pages for that book is 88 pages. So it's very simple. It's something you can do for yourself. And the author is selling at $7.99, right? It's a black and white book because it's a coloring book, right? So when you look at the earnings here, this software is telling us how much this author is making per day. So on a daily basis, this author is making $1,205, and on a monthly basis, he's making nothing less than $36,146. Isn't that crazy? So this shows you that the demand for this is crazy and the competition is massively low. So you can jump on this right now and create something that look like this and get your own share from this market. So for you to be able to create something like this, we have a website that will help us to accomplish that, right? So the name of that website is CapCode. So when you open CapCode, all you just have to do is to come to their magic tool section, and on the magic tool section you click on it, and then you'll be able to open their text to image software. So when you open the text to image software, use this very prompt that you are seeing here. I was able to get this prompt, and if you look at this prompt, it is well written in such a way that it helps us to get exactly what we are looking for and have it sell on Amazon like crazy, right? So if you look at the prompt here, the prompt says, "We'll create a coloring page featuring super cute animal character with thick bold outline on a black and white background. The design should be simple and clear for easy coloring without any grayscale or shadow. The animals should be adorable with expressive faces and playful poses, similar to popular characters found in top selling coloring books on Amazon. The style should be inviting and suitable for both children and adults, providing a relaxing and fun coloring experience. Perfect. So immediately you hit on generate, it will give you this number of images. So you can set it for yourself. So if you want to have up to 4 images on a go, you can set it at 4 so that as soon as you get those 4 images, you go to Canva and you begin to upload them on your Canva and then design the interior and all of that. And if you want to watch exactly how you'll be able to create the interior for your book, come to my channel, which is Express Vast Publishing, and open this video that is here. This video that is here that says 5,955 per month with real coloring book. Watch this video. If you watch this video, you will know exactly how
So
you
what is
can
like
get started
producing
with
all-in-one
you can get
productivity
started with
software?
creating this amazing coloring book for yourself. So go watch this video and get started with it. And just to show us exactly how I was able to accomplish this, us through how you can create this simple interior for yourself. So the first page is your title page, right? And then the second page is what is your this book belongs to page, and this section is for you how to use this coloring book. And then the next page, which is the page 4, is text your color here, right? And after that, the next page, which is the page 5, is where you start inserting all the images that you have generated from PubCode, right? So you download this image and have it inserted on this page, right? So I won't have to download that because I don't want this video to be lengthy. So the first page, which is the page 5, have your image. Page 6 is blank, and you can see that I stated here that this page was left blank, so your paint from the previous page blend into the next page, right? So I did this intentionally to make sure that my customers have quality coloring experience and quality user experience at the end of the day. So you can do this for yourself. So the page 5 has image, page 6 is blank, page 7 has image, page 8 is blank, page 9 has image, page 10 is blank. So you can go and replicate this for yourself and make this money for yourself. So this is just this coloring book. And in our next video, I'll be showing us exactly how you can make more money publishing highly profitable coloring book as this, and coloring books that are of low competition. So you are getting something of high profitability, low competition, and that alone limits the struggle to penetrate the market because the demand is crazy as well, right? So you just get it and you publish it and you start making that money for yourself. So is if this video have helped you in one way or the other, make sure you click the like and the subscribe button. And if you have any question to ask, just drop it on the comment section and I will make sure I answer those questions and get you guys on the go as far as this publishing business is concerned. So thank you and see you guys in the next video.